Action Bronson is a chef who became a rapper. And because he was a chef before he became a rapper, he has an infinite amount of metaphors to work with in his art. To the filmmakers, to the artists, to the musicians, without another hobby, without another passion, your work is empty. If your only obsession is film and creating, and you don't have anything to create about, then you are an empty creator. And I don't mean to be rude, but this is a call to action. Find something else that you love, something else without an obvious purpose. Study something that doesn't seem to have any practical value, but that interests you. Be a foodie just because you like the taste of food. Be obsessed with space and astronomy just because you like to look at the stars. Find another thing, and it will become your rich source of metaphors when you create great art.